the next question is the second derivative of a sine cube t with respect to a cos cube t. The second derivative of a sine cube t. What did you understand by the term second derivative? Second derivative implies we need to differentiate twice. Right? Of a sine cube t with respect to a cos cube t. A sine cube t with respect to a cos cube t. This is generally of the form, I mean, differentiation of a function with respect to other function. This is of the that will be related to that concept actually. So, and he concluded that at t equal to pi by 4, he gave some value of t. उसे छोड़ दो ना. Then the second derivative of a sine cube t with respect to a cos cube t. This is what we need to consider now. Let me consider, I mean, for solving any problem of this kind, differentiation of a function with respect to another function. For solving any problem of such kind, take the, I mean, there will be two functions given, right? Take the first function. That is there is a function before with respect to. Take that as y. Simply take that as y, which is a sine cube t. And take the other term, that is as x equal to a cos cube t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Right? Differentiate with respect to t. Now if you differentiate, we will be getting a sine cube t. A into, it is of the form x cube. Let us assume this as x and it will be x cube. So the answer is 3x square. 3 into sine square t. But it is not x actually. So we need to differentiate it again. Sine t. Now here same thing applies here. dx by dt is equal to a into cos cube. It is of the form x cube. Let me assume it as x cube. Now it becomes 3x square. 3 into cos square t, and it is not x actually, so we need to differentiate again. If you simplify this, it becomes 3a sine square t cos t, right? d by dx of sine t is cos t. Here it becomes 3a cos square t into minus sine t, right? We got dy by dt and dx by dt now. Now simply dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is what we need now, right? This is what we need now. I mean, d square y by dx square is the thing we need now actually, kada? Right? Now, so we need to divide this with this. If you divide, you will be getting 3a sine square t cos t divided by minus 3a cos square t sin t. I mean, here he didn't mention anywhere, but we need to find actually. This means we need to find the question is incomplete actually. We need to find this thing actually. Right? This is what I am doing now. If you simplify this, 3a gets cancelled, and one cos will get cancelled, and one sine will get cancelled, and the value is minus tan t. That is dy by dx. dy by dx now became minus tan t. Now we need d square y by dx square, right? He is asking to find d square y by dx square at t equal to pi by 4. Now differentiate with respect to x again. We need to differentiate again. Now differentiation of tan is secant square, right? But here we differentiated with respect to x, but the term is with respect to t here, so we need to differentiate again t, right? This is what we saw till now. That is what I applied it here, right? Minus secant square t into what is the value of dt by x? dt by dx. Here we got dx by dt, and if for finding dt by dx, we just do minus 1 by 3a cos square t sin t, right? We just inverted that. Now substitute the value. Minus 1 by 3a cos square t into sin t. Minus of minus will become plus now. Minus of minus will become plus, and it becomes secant square t divided by 3a cos square t into sin t. If you want, you can send, if you send that above, it becomes, I can write this as secant square t divided by 3a into, what is cos square? It is can be written as 1 by secant square t. 1 by secant square t into sin t. Right? We can send that secant square above. Now it becomes secant power 4t divided by 3a into sin t. Secant power 4t into 3a sin t. He asked something. He asked the value of at pi by 4. Right? He asked the value at pi by 4. Now, what is the value of, secant 45 actually. Generally secant 45 is root 2. Right? That is what we know. Root 2 whole power 4. Root 2 whole power 4. So 2 power 4 by 2, which is 2 square, that is 4. 4 divided by 3a into, what is the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So it becomes 4 root 2. Root 2 upside, and it becomes by 3a. 4 root 2 by 3a. Where is it? Right. This is the way of solving such kind of question. This question belongs to the case differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Here what we did, we got two functions. We will be given two questions in the question. We will be given two functions in the question, and we need to differentiate the first term first, and we need to differentiate the second one again, and we need to do 1 by 2. That's it. If you do that, you will be getting the answer. The questions which will be given in ESET will not be such lengthy, but I mentioned all, I will be considering all the lengthy questions actually. I will be taking the questions which are a bit different when compared to actual questions. If I take silly questions and all, there will be no difference between us and some other institutes, etc. So that is why my intention is to take quite different and tougher models. Right? Thank you.